Welcome to this guided meditation for body gratitude. In this practice, we will learn to cultivate a sense of gratitude and appreciation for our bodies. Often we overlook the remarkable gift that our bodies are. And this meditation is an opportunity to reconnect with our physical selves and express gratitude for all they do for us. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Settle into a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or lying down. Allow your body to relax, releasing any tension you may be holding. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, let go of any thoughts or concerns that may be on your mind. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Take a couple more deep and nurturing breaths. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Allow your awareness settle even more into your body. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the expansion and contraction of your abdomen with each breath. This rhythmic movement is a reminder of the constant flow of life within you. As you inhale, envision the breath nourishing every cell of your body. And as you exhale, imagine any stagnant energy or stress leaving your body, creating space for renewed vitality and peace. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest and the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Take a moment to appreciate this simple act of breathing, which sustains and nourishes you effortlessly. On your next out breath, shift your focus to your feet. Feel the contact between your feet and the ground or any surface supporting you. Notice the sensations in your feet. Perhaps a sense of warmth, tingling, or the weight of your body pressing down. Allow yourself to express gratitude for your feet, which carry you through each day, allowing you to explore the world. Moving your awareness up to your legs, become aware of the muscles, bones, and joints that enable you to stand, walk, and run. Feel the support they provide and the strength they offer. Take a moment to express gratitude for your legs, which allow you to move and experience life fully. Bring your attention to your hands. Notice any sensations present. The touch of your fingertips, the movement of your fingers, or the warmth in your palms. Give yourself permission to express gratitude for your hands, which allow you to create, touch, and connect with the world around you. Shift your awareness to your arms and shoulders. Feel the strength and flexibility in these areas, supporting your movements and gestures. Take a moment to express gratitude for your arms and shoulders, which allow you to embrace, carry, and reach out to others. Bringing your attention to your torso, become aware of the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen with each breath. Feel the beating of your heart, the flow of energy within you. Express gratitude for your torso, which houses vital organs that support your well-being and sustain your life. Now, shift your focus to your neck and head. Notice any sensations present. The position of your head, the movement of your neck. Take a moment to show gratitude for your neck and head, which hold your senses, thoughts, and emotions, allowing you to experience the world in all its richness. Finally, at your own pace, feel your body as a whole, appreciating its miraculous complexity and the interconnectedness of all its parts. Recognize the incredible journey your body has been on, from birth to this present moment. Express gratitude for the wisdom and resilience of your body, which continues to support you every day. Now, as we deepen our practice of gratitude towards our body, let's affirm our appreciation aloud or in the quiet of our minds, whichever feels most comfortable for you. Begin by slowly reciting the following affirmations, allowing each word to resonate deeply within you. I am grateful for my body and all it does for me. My body is strong, capable, and resilient. I appreciate the unique beauty of my body. I honor my body by listening to its needs. I am thankful for the health and vitality my body provides. I cherish the journey my body and I have been through together. My body is a vessel for my dreams and aspirations. I respect my body and treat it with kindness and care. Every part of my body serves an important purpose, and I am grateful for it. I celebrate my body for allowing me to experience life fully and richly. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a deep breath in, filling your body with a sense of gratitude and appreciation. And as you exhale, release any remaining tension or stress, allowing yourself to carry this gratitude with you throughout your day. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. May this meditation leave you with a renewed connection to the beautiful, resilient vessel that is your body.